The iLiving i3 is a versatile and compact mobility scooter designed for easy travel and transportation. It is made from heavy-duty aircraft-grade aluminum, which provides stability and safety while keeping the scooter lightweight. With a weight capacity of up to 136 kilograms, the i3 can accommodate a wide range of users. One of the key features of the i3 is its toolless folding capabilities. This makes it easy to store and transport the scooter in a car, making it an ideal choice for people who need to take their mobility scooter with them on the go. The compact frame of the i3 also makes it easy to maneuver in tight spaces, both indoors and outdoors. The i3 has a maximum travel range of up to 22 kilometers on a single battery charge, making it suitable for longer trips. The scooter has a top speed of 4 miles per hour and a minimum speed of 2 miles per hour, giving users a range of options for different scenarios. Additionally, the i3 can handle inclines of up to 8 degrees, which is ideal for navigating hills and ramps. In terms of convenience, the i3 includes a USB port for charging phones and other devices, as well as a storage compartment on the floorboard. The seat dimensions provide a comfortable and ergonomic seating position. Overall, the iLiving i3 foldable mobility scooter is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a lightweight and compact mobility scooter that is easy to store and transport. With its heavy-duty aluminum construction, toolless folding capabilities, and convenient features, the i3 offers users a versatile and reliable mobility solution that can help them maintain their independence and mobility.